Oh, hello there. I promised you that I would read you. This book is a bedtime story. It is Whose Boat Is This Boat by Donald Trump by accident. So let's begin. It's very sticky pages. Is this your boat, or did it become your boat? That boat is wiped out. Or not. Wouldn't want to cross the ocean in that. Do you know whose boat that is? They don't know whose boat that is. I'd see what we're seeing. This boat, I don't know what happened, but this boat just came here. Oh my god. A little close up there, we got some legs on the boat. At least you got a nice deal. Nice boat out of the deal. Have a good time, hot dogs. The end. There is no moral. Well, that was exciting. I think my favorite part was, where was it? Oh yeah, right as he comes walking in, all fist bumps. Yeah, so that is Whose Boat Is This Boat by Donald Trump. Have a good night. And yes, I'm sorry that my Trump impression kind of sounds like a phone sex operator.